Hello everybody, welcome to Show Me's World, and today I will be making the spicy lamb chop curry, and I'm going to make this quickly in a pressure cooker. And you can see that this spicy lamb chop curry is with potatoes and looks super delicious and is so quick to make. Any one of you can make it. So let's quickly get started. At first, I'm going to marinate the lamb chops, adding in turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, Kashmiri red chilli powder, and some yogurt. All the measurements are in the description box. So I'm going to mix all these ingredients well and going to keep it overnight. And if you don't have so much of time, then you can just marinate it for minimum of 2 hours. So as said before, this is a one pot meal and I will be doing the whole cooking in this pressure cooker, adding in some oil for cooking and then all the whole spices. Once all the spices starts to crackle up, I am adding the sugar. Once the sugar starts to caramelize, it gives a very nice color to the onions. So I'm just going to wait for the sugar to caramelize. It takes round about 20 to 30 seconds, and thereafter I'll be adding the onions. I will be sauteing the onions for some time until it turns translucent in color. Now I will be adding the ginger and the garlic paste. Thereafter, I'm going to add a puree of 1 tomato and 1 green chilli, which I've already made. So I'm going to add it and going to fry all the ingredients together. Now I will be adding in some dry spices, some Kashmiri red chili powder, some turmeric powder and garam masala powder. I will be cooking it for some time until oil starts to separate from the spices. Now one by one, I will be adding the marinated lamb chops, mixing all of them well, and then I'm going to add salt as per taste. After cooking it for 5 to 10 minutes, I will be adding the potatoes. So this is completely optional. So if you don't like potatoes, just don't add it and you can skip it. I love potatoes, so I just added a couple of them. Going to mix all the masalas and the spices well and cook it for another 5 minutes. So the more you cook these lamb chops, the spices are going to get more infused into it. So I have approximately cooked it for 10 minutes until you can see that the oil has started to separate. And now I'm going to add some lukewarm water, adding 1 cup of lukewarm water. Then I'm going to pressure cook it for 10 minutes or 6 to 7 whistles. After 10 minutes, I'm going to open the pressure cooker. Just look at the color. Oh my god, it smells amazing and it looks too good. Finally, I'm going to garnish it with some ghee or clarified butter and some chopped coriander leaves or cilantros. This recipe is super quick and easy. As you could see, the spices has mixed so well and the color and the texture of the lamb, it's so soft. It melts in your mouth. I already have tried this recipe. I tried it with rice, steamed rice, and it was amazing. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, Show Me's World, and see you soon. Bye-bye.